Hello, this is Henry Liam, your instructor for Philosophy 10. We'll be online 100%, and I want to briefly introduce myself. I was born in Vietnam under the Vietnamese name Nguyen Hữu Liêm. Nguyen is the most popular last name in Vietnam for some historical reason dating back to hundreds of years. Anyway, you might have seen or heard about my last name, Nguyen. When I came to America and became a U.S. citizen, I changed my name to Henry H. Liam. My first name became my last name. And I guess my children told me that they appreciate that because there are too many Nguyens around and they get confusing sometimes. I started my new dynasty. I came to America in 1975 for one reason. When I was about 9 and 10, American troops was going through my village looking for that guy named Charlie. They gave me some chocolate candy. They almost shot me dead, thinking that I was a Viet Cong, but I think at the time I was too young, running, unclothed most of the time under the sun or the rain. And so I smoked a cigarette and remember the silent cigarette the American soldier gave me. And so I thought to myself, I will go to America to smoke cigarette and to eat chocolate candies. And here I am. I quit smoking when I was 17. Anyway, I came here in 75. I went to Oklahoma State, get a degree in agricultural economics, and went on to UT Austin, Longhorns, get a master degree in public affairs, and went to work for the city of Long Beach, California, building the new downtown, and then went to law school at UC Hastings in San Francisco, passed the bar, became the lawyer, went to work for the Santa Cruz District Attorney as a prosecutor. When was that? 88, 89, I resigned and opened my law firm. And then I went back to San Jose State, get my MA degree in philosophy, became an instructor, professor of philosophy at San Jose City College in 1998, ever since. Anyway, I got a PhD in metaphysics, philosophy of history in 2015 at California Institute of Integral Studies. I speak with a rather heavy Vietnamese accent, so bear with me. I love to tell a lot of jokes. Hopefully you will enjoy that too. And you can make fun of my accent. I try to be clear as much as possible, but I've been doing this for the last 22 years, so it should be okay. All right, so welcome to Philosophy. Thank you.